Yo guys, so future me here. I have messed up the audio in this free TikTok followers tutorial. I didn't realize at the time, but my microphone on my camera was turned off. So the audio is overlaid, as you can see here, and it will not match with the video. If you find that annoying, you can skip to about the 1:30 point in the video to go directly to the tutorial. So yeah, once again, apologies for the audio problems.
Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you don't know who I am, I specialize in saving you money and also just basically showing you guys how to get tons of free stuff. Today's video, you can tell by the thumbnail and the title, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free TikTok followers. This method is super easy and it's going to get you up to 5,000 TikTok followers for completely free. These are genuine, legit users. So yeah, it takes, like I said, around 5 minutes, and this is going to get you tons of followers. You can also repeat this process over and over again and get even more than 5,000 followers. So let me run through these steps, guys, and show you guys how you can go and get your free TikTok followers. And yeah, you need to use your mobile phone, so let me record my screen and we can get into it. So you should see my screen here now, guys. Basically, you need to open up the internet and go to this website. You have to make sure you type it the same as I'm going to type it here. www.topdog, make sure you spell it correctly, topdogcodes.com. So spell it like this, pause the video if you need to, copy this down, and this is where you need to go, guys. This website is pretty sick. They have tons of different pages on here, guys. We need to search for the TikTok page, so if you go to the search bar at the top and just type in TikTok, it will pop up free TikTok followers. So yeah, click on that to basically see more. And here we go. So it says 5,000 free genuine TikTok followers, and you can see, guys, this has been rated pretty highly. Thousands of people have used this method. So tap on get followers and this page is going to turn up. Essentially, guys, you need to enter in your user ID here, so your TikTok username, Smithy Bones, don't ask, guys, 99. So press connect and it's going to basically just confirm your username is valid. So it's looking on the server, TikTok server, and what have you. And then you need to select which basically platform you use TikTok on. So I've got an iPhone, so of course it's iOS. And then click the blue button here. It's going to basically confirm it's found your account on TikTok and it's on iOS. And you can see here it says finalize and unlock. So before our systems provide you your free TikTok followers, you will need to pass this verification stage. This is to confirm you're not a bot. So basically, guys, long story short, people create robots to steal all of these free followers. So this is just a way to prevent that. And this just ensures that you are a real person, basically. So I'm not going to do it because I'm going to save all of the followers for you guys. But essentially, you will need to click this verify now button and follow these steps on the next page. You're going to need to complete a couple of free tasks to verify yourself as a real person. But don't panic, they're all completely free and they only take around 5 minutes to complete. Once you've done that, it's going to add your 5,000 followers to your TikTok account. So yeah, just make sure you follow all of the instructions you've seen in this video and also on the website, and yeah, in under 5 minutes you're going to get your free TikTok followers. So go to topdogcodes.com and hit that like button if you got your free TikTok followers, and comment below if you need any help. I'm willing to help everyone who needs it. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.